In today's session, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about how to rearrange the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, so for this, what we need to know the English alphabet very thoroughly. Okay, we have already learned the English alphabet in KG. That was the LKG and UKG. We have already learned it. But still, we should be thorough with these alphabet. Okay, are you all thorough with all these English alphabet, children? Okay, so let's have a look at it. Okay, so let's have a look at these English alphabet once again. Okay, let's move on to, are you all ready? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then let's move on to it.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So I'm going to share the screen. Okay. All of you, please do get ready with your English grammar workbook. Keep it open. Okay, let me share the screen with you all children. So all of you have a look at it. Okay, so I hope you remember my name, all of you. Yes? Yes? Yes. Okay then. So are you all ready? So we are in worksheet 1, small letters. So we are already familiar with all these letters. We know how to write, but still, let's recap what we have already learned. Okay, let's have a look at these English alphabet once again before we move on to the exercise part of it. Okay, so these are called the small letters. Okay, so while we write it we have to write it in our cursive letters. Okay, so these are the letters. So once again, we just recall these words once more. Okay, so are you all ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the letters. Okay. So haven't we observed these letters are arranged in an order? Okay. Have you all noticed that? Children, all these letters are arranged in a proper order. What is this order is called? This order is called the ABC order or the alphabetical order. Have all of you understood? So have you understood after A, you can find B. So this is an order. Okay, so you can see these letters, these alphabets are arranged in a proper order. So this arrangement is called the ABC order or the alphabetical order. Okay, so have you all of you understood? Okay, after A it is B. So this is the order. So we need to learn this thoroughly. We already know it. So once again, let us revise what we have learned in our smaller classes. Okay. So these are the letters. We are familiar with all these letters. We know it very well. So these order is called as the alphabetical order. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to arrange. All the jumbled letters will be given and we need to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, just as a game. So what is this order is called? This order to arrange this order, that is alphabet, that is A, B, C, D, what we have seen just now, it is called as the ABC order or the alphabetical order. Have all of you understood? Have you understood? This arrangement, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, that arrangement, what we have seen in the last slide. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So this arrangement is called the ABC order or the alphabetical order. Have you understood? Where you can see this order, children? Can you tell anyone, any one of you, can you tell me where you can see this order? Where you can see this order? ABC order. Where while you were in LKG, have you not seen your class teacher? The arrangement, the attendance has been written. Okay, the names of the students are written in the attendance register. In which order? In which order? Alphabetical order. Okay, have you seen your class teacher's attendance register? How will your ma'am call your name? Yes?
Alphabet order.
How will your ma'am calls your name? So in her attendance register, the names are being written in the alphabetical order. Okay, or the ABCD order. Okay, so in the attendance register, you can find ma'am written in the alphabetical order. Okay, after A, it'll be B, then C, then D. Okay, it comes like that. Okay, and similarly, have you seen a dictionary, children? Have you seen a dictionary?
No.
Dictionary, English dictionary? A book, I thought of bringing it today, but I didn't bring it today.
Yes.
Yes, even in the dictionary, to find a word, it is very easier for us to find the word in a dictionary because these letters are the words are arranged in the alphabetical order. Okay, so if we want to find a word, say, what is that? Furniture. We want to know the meaning of the furniture or library. So we need to take according to the alphabetical order. We just turn the pages, we'll take L. Okay, then we'll find the word for it. Okay, so even in the dictionary, the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. So it helps us to find the word easily in a dictionary. Is that clear? Okay, so now in today's class, okay, so in today's class, we are going to learn how to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, are you all ready with your English grammar workbook? Are you all ready? Are you all ready, children? Yes. So can you see the attendance register? It is written in the ABC order. Or you can see a dictionary. If you have one at home, please do turn the pages and see whether the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. So attendance register as well as dictionary, it is written in the ABCD order, or we can call it as the alphabetical order. Okay, so now let's move on to the practical work, practical side of it. So now all of you take your workbooks, children. All of you take your workbook. Okay. Now, our task is that you can all of you take your pages, page 3, I hope. So all of you open your page. Are you all ready? Are you all ready with your pages? Yes. So now in today's session, we are going to learn about the alphabetical order. Here you can see in this exercise, see, I write the letters in the alphabetical order. Now we are familiar with the alphabet. Now what we have to do is, all the letters in the English alphabet are given here, but it is not arranged properly. But some letters are missing, that's okay. But still what we have to do is, we have to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, let's move on to it. I hope all of you are ready with it. Now let's do it. Okay, all of you please do take your workbook. Write the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, that is B. I'll take a colorful ink for you so that okay. Are you all ready? First one, I will do it for you. So it is, all of you please do listen. B, K, M, D, F, E, J, L, I, G. So what we have to do is we have to arrange these letters, that is the alphabet, into the alphabetical order. For that, what we have to do, we have to say the alphabet. Okay. So A is there, children? Is there? Just give me an answer. First one, I will do it for you. Then I'll call out your names. Okay. A is there? No.
No.
No, A is not there. Now we'll move on to the next letter. According to the alphabetical order, the next letter is B. So B is there. So what we have to do is, yes, B is there. So what you will do it in your workbook is that you just give a strike with your pencil and you will write it B here. Okay, B is already there. Otherwise, we don't know which letters we have written it here. Okay, the next letter is C. So you find it for the letter C. C is not there. Now the next letter after C is D. Yes, D is there. Now strike the D and write it here. Here all the alphabet are not given. Only few alphabets are given. But what we have to do is we have to rearrange the letters in the alphabetical order. For that, we have to be thorough with the English alphabet. Okay, so B and D is over. Then which is the next letter? A, B, C, D is over. After that, it is E. Yes, E is there. So strike away the E and you write it here. E. After E comes the F. Yes, F is there. So you please do write it there. F very neatly in your cursive letters. After F, which will be the next letter? I. Yes, I'm here. The I says I'm here. Yes, write it down.
Ma'am, G.
Yes, very good. Okay, EF. G is there. I'm sorry. G is there. Yes, very good. G. Yes, EF. G. Yes, very good. G. Yes, G says I'm here. Ma'am has forgotten it to write me. Yes, very good. So G. After G, which is the next letter, it is H. H is there? No. After H comes the letter I. Yes, I says I'm here too. So please do write me. Yes, I have written it. Okay. So G, H, I. After I, which is the next letter, children? Which is the next letter? It is J. So J says, yes, I'm here. J, please do write it. J. After J comes K. So J, okay, J, then comes the K. So please do write it K. Yes, K is written. The remaining, how many letters are there? 2 more letters are missing. So that is the reason I told you to strike away the letters. Okay, so that you know which are the remaining letters are there. Otherwise, you'll be confused which the letters you have written and which the letters you haven't written. So if you strike it away, you will be in your examinations also. If you strike it, you may be knowing it, which are the remaining letters. Okay, I, J, K. After K, which is the next letter? The next letter, L. Yes, L says I'm here. Yes, strike the L and then you write L there. Okay, then only one more letter was missing. So after L, we know it is M. So strike it and then you write it here. Okay, now we have arranged all these letters in the alphabetical order. This is the way you will be writing it into your workbook. Have all of you understood? Okay, put a thumbs up if you have understood. Yes, for this, nothing. You need to know only the alphabet. Okay, yes. So only thing is, all the letters are not there. Okay, don't be confused if all the letters are not there. With the letters, what is given, we will arrange them in the alphabetical order. Okay. So I hope all of you have understood how to do this exercise. This exercise is very easier for you. Only thing you have to do is strike the letter as you do it with your pencil so that we know which are the letters we have written and which are the letters we haven't written. Okay, it helps you to write it properly. Otherwise, you may be confused how to do it. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Children, have all of you finished? Put me a thumbs up if you have finished. If you have finished, put me a thumbs up.
I'm finished.
All of you?
I'm
Very good.
finished.
Yes, yes. Now let's move on to
I'm
the next one.
finished.
Yes, yes.
I'm finished.
The second one. Okay, children. Now let's move on to the second one.
I'm finished.
Okay, who can do the second one for me? Second question for me? Who's ready to do the second question for me? Is there anyone who's ready? Oh, okay, Ahlam. Ahlam, I'll call you. Ahlam, can you do it? Yes, I'll show the screen for you. Yes, I'll share the screen with you so that you can read it and you can do it. Yes, Ahlam, come on. Yes, come on. First, we will say the alphabet. Ahlam, say the alphabet. The first letter in English alphabet. Ahlam? A. Okay. I'm going to mute others. Okay, only Ahlam, I'll unmute her. Otherwise, I will not get an answer from Ahlam. You can unmute it. Ahlam, unmute it, Ahlam. Yes. Ahlam, say the answer. Yes, Ahlam. So we have for this, we need to say the alphabet. So which is the first letter, Ahlam, in English alphabet? Come on, do it. Which is the first letter? Ahlam, unmute it. Unmute it, Ahlam.
A.
A is there in this list?
B.
Yes. So what we have to do, strike the letter A and please do write it in the blank provided for you. A. All of you please do it. Yes. Ahlam, which is the next letter?
C.
C. Yes, B is not there, so C. So C is there. So please do strike away the C and you write it there. Yes, C. Then
B.
which is the next letter? Yes, A, B, C. D is not there. So the next letter is E. Very good. E. So you please do write it there. E. Then after E comes the F. F is not there. Then which is the next letter? Comes
G.
G. Very good. E, F, G. So strike away the G and you write the G in the space provided for you. Yes, very good. After G,
H.
after G, H. H is not there. So what we have to do, we have to jump on to the next
I.
letter. I. Yes, I says I'm here. So we have to write the letter here. Very good. I. After I, which is the next letter?
J.
J. J is not there. J says, no, I'm not there. Now, yes, after J? After J?
K.
K is not there. Yes, K also says, yes, I'm not there. K. Then which is the next letter?
L.
L. L is there? No. L also says, I'm not there. Then
M.
M. Very good. M says, yes, I'm here. Catch me. Yes, we have caught M now. Okay. Yes, we have caught M now. So A, C, E, G, I, M. So remaining, there are a few more letters are there. After M, which is the next letter?
V.
Yes, V. Y means K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. All these letters are not there in the list. So finally, we land up in V. Okay, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So all these letters are not there. So it is the next letter comes as V. So we have to write V here. Very good, Ahlam. Then which is the next letter?
X.
X. Yes, very good. X. Next letter?
Y.
Y. Yes, Y. And the last letter is
Z.
Z. Very good. So this is the way you have to do this exercise. Isn't it quite easy, children? Yes? Yes? Is
Yes.
it not interesting too? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just it's like a play game. Just we have to
Finish,
swap it
ma'am.
and we have to do it. Yes, very good. All of you. I wanted to see you all. Have all of you finished with page number 3 exercise? Now we'll turn to page 4. All of you take page 4 if you are finished with that. Okay, we'll continue with the same exercise. Yes. I hope all of you have finished. Yes?
Yes.
Very good, Ahlam. Ahlam, good job, okay? God to congratulate you. Ahlam, good job. Very good. Yes. Now let's move on to the next.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, very good, very good.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Now let's move on to the, who will do the next sentence, next question. Who's ready to do it? Yes, Aldrin. I'll call Aldrin now. Aldrin, come on, Aldrin. Yes. Yes, Aldrin. Aldrin. Yes. All of you will move on to the question 3. Okay. Aldrin, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are familiar with the alphabet now. Now what we have to do is A. A is there in that list? No. So
No.
we have to move on to the next letter. Which is the next letter?
B.
Aldrin? B. Very good. So strike away the B and then you write the B there. Yes, B. Which is the next letter, Aldrin?
D.
Yes, D. D says I'm here. C says no, I'm not here. Yes, then you write D. Very good. Which is the next letter? A, B, C, D. Yes, F. E is not there. So others, will you please mute it? All of you others, please do mute it. Otherwise, Aldrin will not be able to. Where is Aldrin? All the others, please do mute it. Okay, Aldrin will say the answers. Everybody will getting a chance, okay? Don't worry about it. Otherwise, I'll get the answers from all the sides. Where is Aldrin? Yes, Aldrin. I've unmuted you, Aldrin. Yes.
X.
Yes. After B, D, F. Yes, F we have written. So E is not there, F. After F, which is the next letter? H. Very good. H. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F. G is not there, H is there. After H?
J.
J. Yes, I is not there, J is there. So strike. Don't forget to strike it away, okay, children? Otherwise, we'll be confused a little. Yes, G, H, I, J. I is not there, J. After J, which is the next letter we have to write there?
N.
What is that?
N.
Yes, J. No, little more letters are there here. After J, please do say the alphabet after J. K. K is not there.
N.
Yes, L is there. L. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L is there. Okay. So we have to write L here. Okay. All of you, please do write it. L. After L, yes, what you said is right. What? N. Very good. After L, yes, K, L, M. M is not there, but N is there. Please do write it there. N. Yes. M, N.
P.
Yes, very good. P. So before you write it, please see that you strike away the P.
R.
Yes, R. Very good. R. Then finally, we have one more letter there. Which is that letter, Aldrin?
T.
T. Very good. Very good, Aldrin. Great job. Very good. Okay, very good. Yes. So this is the way you have to do this exercise. This exercise is quite easy. Okay, nothing much to think about, only you have to be thorough with your English alphabet. Okay, children? So once you finish with this, we'll move on to the next question, the similar question, the question number 4. Who is ready here to say the answer? Is there anyone? Have all of you finished with question number 1, 2, and 3? Yes? All of you, have you finished? Have all of you finished? Yes? Yes. Who's ready to do the next question? Aldrin, very good, Aldrin. Great job. Is there anyone who wanted to do it? Okay. Yes, Ain. How to pronounce your word? Eon? Jomi? Eon? Is it Eon? Yes. Aeon Jomi, you can do it. Yes, are you ready? Yes. Now, all of you, we'll move on to the question number 4. Here comes the question for you. Yes, Eon. Yes, come on. Yes, A is there. Very good. The very first alphabet is there, A. So we will start with A. But see that you write very neatly, children. I don't want any commas in between. Please don't put any commas in between. Just write as ma'am has written it for you. Please just leave a little bit of gap in between and see that you write in your cursive letters. Okay, that's all. Nothing else. A. Okay, which is the next letter? A. Aona. What's your name is? Will you pronounce your...
E.
Yes, E. Okay, B is not there, C is not there, D is there, D is there. Okay, only then E comes. So A, B is not there, C is not there, then comes the D. D says, I'm here too. Okay, D. Then comes the letter E. Okay, have you all understood?
E.
Yes, E, I've written it. After E, which is the next letter? A,
F.
yes, F. F is there. After F,
G.
G, very good. G. G says, I'm here. After G,
J.
yes. After G, H, I, J. Yes, J is there. Very good. J. After J,
K.
K. Yes. After J, K. Strike away the K and then you write it there. K. Then still more letters are there. So what we have to do? Yes. K. Then
F.
K.
M.
M, yes, K, J, K, L, M. Okay, so L is not there, M is there. So please see that you write the name, M. Then only 2 more letters are missing there. So which letter has to come after M, which is the next letter, according to the alphabetical order?
Z.
How come? 1 more letter is there.
S.
No, please go through it once more. See, ma'am has strike. Okay, strike all the letters which are not the A, F, S, J, M, K. 2 more letters are there, S and Z. So which letter has to come after M?
S.
Yes, yes. Okay, please do write it. Yes, only then we have to write the final word Z. Yes, Z. Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the way we have to do it. Okay, very good. Aeon. So those who haven't finished, see that you finish it up. We'll do one more before we wind up today's session. So I wanted all of you to finish at least 5 during this session. Now, who's ready to do the next question, the 5th question? Is there anyone? Okay, Henna. Henna, are you ready? Henna, are you ready? Yes. Okay. All of you turn on your videos, children. Henna, where are you? Henna. Are all of you doing it? Please do it during the session itself, children, okay, so that you may finish it, so that you know how to do it, how to do each exercise. Okay, Henna. Have I unmuted you? Please do unmute it. Yes. Henna, unmute it, Henna. Yes. Now you do it. Do the fifth question. Yes, do the fifth question. Yes. So SQUNYOGRXI. So what we have to do, these are the letters, I think, so it's there in question number 5. So what we have to do, we have to rearrange these letters in the proper order. Now, Henna, come on. Which will be the first letter? A. A is there? No. A is not there, B is not there, C is not there, D is not there, E is not there, F is not there. Finally, which is the first letter we have to write it here?
G.
G, very good. Okay, this is a question is a little bit, yes, G. Very good. So please see that you strike away the G before you write it. Okay, after G, then G, H, I. Yes, I. Very good. I. After I, J is not there, K is not there, L is not there, M is not there. Then which letter is there?
N.
N, very good. N is there. So please do write it there. N, M. After N, which is the next letter?
M.
M is not there. Yes, O, very good. O. O says I'm here. So please do strike away the O. So after O, which is the next letter?
Q.
P, Q. Yes, after O it is P is not there, Q is there. So we have to write Q. Yes. After Q? After Q? After Q?
R.
R. Yes. After Q it is R. Yes, R. After Q it is R. Then R. After R? Yes. Yes. P, Q, R, S. Then T is not there. R, S, T. Then which is the next letter? Which is the next letter?
U.
U. Yes. Yes. U. Yes. U. After U, which is the next letter? U, V, W. No, U, V, W. Two letters are missing there. Which are the two letters here? X. Yes, X. Then after X, it is? After X, it is? Y. Very good. After X, it is Y. So all of you, please do write it. All of you, please do write it. All of you, please do write it. Are all of you writing? So in today's session, we have finished with 5 questions. So I wanted all of you to complete it in your workbook today itself. Okay, 5 questions. The remaining 6, 7, 8, 9, we'll be doing it in the next session. Okay. So, children, it's time up. I hope all of you have finished. Will you please take your book and show me whether, let me see, let me check whether you have completed your work. Have all of you finished it? Yes? Have all of you completed today's task? Yes?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. Very good. Yes,
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Yes, children. So, it's time for us to wind up the session. So, bye, all of you. Bye, children. Take care.